Welcome back. This is a very short video on how to turn on the tracking feature and how to produce a tracking Gantt chart. So let's begin. So I launch. I'm going to go ahead and grab an example in here. I think there's a good one. It's called sample or something. Here we go. Sample project plan. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this guy up. And so now I have some sort of a schedule going. So there's two things I want you to do. One is, in order to lock this guy down, I really want to go in here and set the baseline. So I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to leave it as the default of calling it a baseline. So now what I've done is I've locked it down so when I make changes I'll be able to see the differences. But if I just go back to here and look at the normal view of the Gantt chart, I'm not going to necessarily see any changes. So let me just go here to task 2, whatever. And instead of having it completed on this particular date, I'm just going to change the date. And so it says it's going to be finished on that Friday. I'm going to change it to the following Friday. Now, it does make some changes here. If you scoot this over just a tiny bit, you can kind of sort of see, you know, it made changes. It stretched that guy out and did all the things it's supposed to do. You know, I'm going to squash this up so I can see more of my thing. But that's not the kind of view I really want. What I really want is this view down here where it says Tracking Gantt. Now it shows here's where the task is and where's all the percents. So now you can see where the slippage is, where, you know, that task has slipped over and that one slipped over and that one slipped over and that particular milestone has been missed. Cool. You can also use just to go in here and add your individual task usages. For example, if this was live, I could go in here and say, well, this one's 25% done, and I don't know, this one is, you know, 50% done. So those kinds of things on top of. All right, that's about it. I told you this is going to be a short video. So basically, you want to go to project and set the baseline, and then change the view to the tracking version, and then make your changes and estimate your percentages on completion and all the rest of that, and then watch and see what happens. Okay, I'll see you guys again in some future video.